Hi, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and in this video we're going to be changing the gas ram on the Pallmann Spider. So we've got the brand new gas ram that we're going to change here, and for this all you're going to need is a 17mm spanner. That's the only tool you're going to need to get this one off and get this one back on. So the first thing we're going to do is at the bottom here we have a clevis pin that's holding it in place, so I'm just going to pull that back. And we're going to pull it out. So now once that's out, we need to crack this nut here with our 17mm spanner. So it's just this small one here that's on this piston here. There we go. So you just want to crack it, and now it can be wound off. Just like that. So the way that this works is from your button at the top of the handle, there is a line that comes down here, and then what it does is it presses this button in, which extends it out. And then when you press the button in, you can also extend it down. So when you get your new one, of course, take your protection resin off. We've got our new one. What we need to do is wind it into the piston here. And you're just going to wait till you hear a little bit of resistance, because what it's going to do when you're in there is it's going to push this button out, in, and expand it out. So you want it just so it's touching here. I'm going to wind that in there. There we go, resistance. So now I'm going to do a half turn backwards, so it gives it a chance to push down the button. Now I've done that, I'm just going to push that up by hand. Next thing is to get your clevis tool off. And locate it back in here. Clevis clip comes back in, and that's located at the bottom there. Now we have this part wound in for the button. We just need to tighten this nut here. And there we go. We've now replaced the gas ram on this Pallmann Spider. Now I'm just going to lower it so we can give it a test. Ready for sanding?